Hi guys, welcome sa aking channel. So to this video ay ibabahagi ko sa inyo kung paano mag-reset ng L3210 na printer. Kumbaga, ink absorber is full or end of service life. So guys, kailangan natin i-reset yung counter ng printer para mag-print siya ulit or ma-back to zero yung counter niya. So mayroon tayo ditong folder Epson L3210. Open natin yan, then i-click natin yung adjustment program, then ito na yung lumabas, adjustment program, then click natin yung accept. So pag ma-click natin yung accept, ito na yung lalabas, Epson adjustment program model, then language. So dito tayo sa select na button, then model name. So maraming nakasali or naka-include dito na model ng printer na pwede natin i-reset. So since L3210 yung i-reset natin, i-select natin yung L3210, then yung support is naka-default lang, naka-auto selection, and then click natin yung OK. So dito na tayo, naka-set up na siya. Then guys, punta tayo dito sa particular adjustment mode, then dito tayo, hanapin natin yung waste ink pad counter dito sa baba. Nandito siya, yung naka-highlight na blue, waste ink pad counter. Ito yung isi-select natin, then click OK. Then may tatlong box dito. So waste ink pad counter, waste ink pad counter. Note, you have to replace waste ink pad if you initialize the protection counter. Number 1, click check button to check current protection counter's value. Number 2, replace waste ink pad with a new one. So guys, pwede naman natin linisan yung waste ink pad. So importante ma-reset natin yung counter at makapag-print tayo ulit. So click natin yung box, yan, click natin yung tatlo, then click initialize. So once pag mag-click natin yung initialize, when the OK button is click, counter will be initialized. So meaning magre-reset siya. So magre-reset siya into 0. Pag mag-click natin yan, so counter resets into 0. So magpa-pop up yan na please turn off the printer. So turn off your printer now. So turn off nyo na guys, then tapos na yung pagre-reset natin. Pag matapos nyo turn off nyo again, then okay na yan guys. So magpe-print na yan, mag-initialize yan siya. How many minutes mag-stable na po yung green. So click na natin yung finish, then okay na tayo guys. Please subscribe my channel, click na notification bell, and lagi kayo updated sa aking mga bagong video uploads. Salamat guys.